Sole ulcers are among the most common causes of lameness in dairy cattle, yet they often go unnoticed until they begin to significantly impact a cow's welfare and productivity. As a dairy farmer, the sight of a limping cow might be an early sign of a much deeper issue, one that can lead to severe pain, reduced milk production, and costly veterinary interventions. But what exactly causes sole ulcers, and how can we prevent or treat them before they become a major problem? Let's dive into this critical health issue facing dairy herds, its implications, and how to effectively manage and prevent it. Sole ulcers occur when the sensitive tissue beneath a cow's hooves becomes inflamed or damaged, often at the sole-heel junction of the lateral hind claw. This painful condition is a result of constant pressure on the hooves, usually caused by poor hoof care, hard flooring, or other environmental stressors, leading to tissue breakdown and the formation of painful ulcers. While sole ulcers can affect any cow, certain factors make some more prone to this condition. Cows standing for extended periods on hard, rough flooring are more susceptible to damage. Neglecting regular hoof trimming can lead to uneven weight distribution, increasing pressure on vulnerable areas. Poor nutrition and metabolic disorders, especially during the transition to lactation, can weaken the hooves and increase the risk of lameness. Slippery floors, poor cubicle design, and inadequate bedding heighten the likelihood of hoof injuries and subsequent infections. Sole ulcers are often progressive and can lead to severe lameness if not addressed early. Here are some signs to watch out for. A cow with a sole ulcer may start limping, showing discomfort when walking or standing. The affected claw may show obvious signs of injury or even the ulcer itself, often near the heel-sole junction. The area around the lesion may feel warm and swollen to the touch, signaling inflammation. Lameness often leads to decreased feed intake, resulting in lower milk production. When a sole ulcer is detected, early and appropriate intervention is crucial to minimize damage and discomfort. Here's the standard treatment protocol. The first step is to balance the hooves properly, removing any overgrown or damaged horn. To allow the ulcer to heal, a block is typically placed on the healthy claw to reduce pressure on the affected one. Applying antibiotics and antiseptic treatments can help manage infection and promote healing. Anti-inflammatory medication may be prescribed to alleviate pain and swelling. Regular follow-ups ensure the healing process is progressing, and further intervention is given if necessary. The best cure for sole ulcers is prevention. By improving the conditions in which your cows live and ensuring their hooves remain healthy, you can significantly reduce the risk of this painful and costly condition. Trimming hooves every 6 months helps maintain proper weight distribution and reduces the chance of damage. Providing soft, clean bedding and non-slip flooring encourages cows to rest comfortably without the stress of hard surfaces. Proper nutrition during the transition period can help maintain strong hooves and prevent laminitis. Implementing a regular lameness scoring system to monitor the mobility of cows can catch early signs of sole ulcers and other hoof issues before they become severe. Sole ulcers are a serious concern for dairy farmers, one that can have far-reaching effects on cow welfare, farm productivity, and the bottom line. By recognizing the early signs, understanding the causes, and implementing preventive measures, you can ensure that your herd stays healthy and productive, minimizing the risk of painful conditions like sole ulcers. Remember, a small investment in hoof care today can lead to greater returns tomorrow, with healthier, happier cows and a more profitable dairy farm. By staying proactive and investing in proper hoof care, you're not only improving the quality of life for your cows, but also securing the long-term success of your dairy operation. So let's step up and prevent sole ulcers before they step in and cause harm to your herd.